Okay, we're going to look at multiplication and division in standard form. So this is very, very easy. So we're going to jump straight to the examples. And it says, without a calculator, find 2.5 times 10 to the power of 8 times 3 times 10 to the power of minus 3. Now, what we're going to look at here really involves the fact that it doesn't matter if you did 6 times 7 times 2. It doesn't matter if you do it in that order, or maybe you shuffle the order around, 7 times 6 times 2, or maybe you do 2 times 6 times 7, or maybe you do 2 times 7 times 6. It doesn't make a button of difference. So that's really what we're going to be looking at here. Okay, so we'll just get rid of all of that and we'll have a look at these examples. So first one, we have got 2.5 times 10 to the power of 8 times 3 times 10 to the minus 3. So I'm just going to rewrite that as 2.5 times 3 times 10 to the power of 8 times 10 to the minus 3. So if we do that, 2.5 times 3 is going to be 7.5, and the 10 to the power of 8 times 10 to the power of minus 3 is the same as 10 to the power of 5. That is now in standard form. Your part B, we're going to rewrite it as 8.1 divided by 9. So we're dividing our numerical bits, and then we've got our 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 5. So 8.1 divided by 9 is going to be 0.9, and then that's going to be times just 10 to the power of 1. Now, look critically at your answer. It's not in standard form, so you've got to make that 0.9 10 times bigger, which means you've got to make this 10 times smaller. So it's just going to be 10 to the power of 0, which is in standard form. But your answer in standard form would also just be 9. Or your answer would just be 9 as well. Part C, we had 5.6 divided by 8. I'll put that in brackets. So we've just divided our normal numbers and times, and we're dividing our indices as well. 10 to the power of 4 divided by 10 to the power of minus 7. So 5.6 divided by 8 will give you 0.7. And then, tricky enough, 10 to the minus 4 divided by 10 to the minus 7 is the same as, I'll just write out, 10 to the minus 4 minus 7. So you've still got your 0.7 times, and that's going to be 10 to the power of minus 4 plus 7, which would be 10 to the power of 3. Check your answer and be very critical. 0.7 is not a number between 1 and 10, so make that 10 times bigger to make it 7. So you've made that 10 times bigger, so you must make the 10 to the power of 3 10 times smaller, so it becomes 10 squared.